The Karuisrc GPS drone promises a simplified flying experience with its built-in controller screen and smart flight modes. It aims to make aerial photography accessible for beginners without the need for a separate smartphone app. Check the link in the description for the best price. Here is how this drone performs across key operational categories. The included GPS and stabilization features create a reliable, forgiving experience for those just starting out. Having a dedicated display directly on the remote makes the setup process much smoother and less frustrating. Video output remains a question mark, as there is limited evidence to verify the high-end claims. You can expect decent performance in calm conditions, though gusty weather will quickly test the drone's limits. The remote system provides great convenience, but the overall flight and camera performance are strictly entry-level. We evaluated whether the cost matches the feature set offered. Getting an integrated display on a budget remote is a significant value add for the asking price. The brand does not have the same level of long-term support history as established market leaders. It sits in a solid spot against other budget models, especially if you prioritize convenience over brand prestige. While the feature list is impressive for the price, the brand's lack of track record impacts. A look at the potential risks and complaints observed. There is not enough real-world data to fully guarantee how this build will hold up over time. Accessing dedicated warranty support is a bit of a gamble, as the brand lacks a robust history. By moving to a built-in screen, the system sidesteps many common issues seen with third-party smartphone apps. The biggest risks revolve around the lack of long-term reliability reports and unclear camera specs. This drone succeeds at making the flight experience more convenient by removing the need for phone pairing. However, because independent data is limited and brand trust isn't fully established, you should keep your expectations managed.